Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. First, we take a look at the headlines. Justice S K Shah Commission probing Balli agitation indicts SP Tony Fernandes, former South Goa collector GP Naik and some UTAA leaders for Balli violence. The report to be placed before the cabinet after Law Department's initial remarks. Panchayat elections likely to be held on 16th May. Directorate of Panchayat completes delimitation of wards. 185 Panchayat term ending on 19th May. Walpoi police raid a company at Vasco for suspected link with Mole illegal mining. One more driver arrested. Police issues summons to 44 people, declared 3 as absconding. Over in sports, shed your egos and work closely with sportspersons to win maximum medals at Lusophonia and national games. Prabhu Desai issues passionate appeal to all administrators. And Panjim Gold Cup set to celebrate football as state official sports football tournament to kick off on 15th April at erstwhile Bandorkar Stadium in Kampa. And now the news in detail. The Justice S K Shah Commission probing the Balli agitation and violence has indicted SP Tony Fernandes, former South Goa collector GP Naik and some UTAA leaders. The commission has submitted its report to the government of Goa. Sources say the report will be finally placed before the cabinet for further action after Law Department's initial remarks.
The Justice S K Shah Commission has submitted its 53-page report on the Balli riots that took place last year on 25th May. The one-man commission was appointed by the government in September 2011 to conduct a judicial probe into the incident. The commission had recorded statement of SP Tony Fernandes, ex-collector South GP Naik, ex-minister Prakash Shankar Verip, police personnel and some members of UTAA. Justice Shah had also viewed a video footage of the incident. Based on this, the commission concluded that a serious lapse was committed by SP Tony Fernandes and ex-collector GP Naik. They failed to handle agitation as only 175 police personnel were deployed to handle crowd of 10,000. UTAA leaders lost control over crowd. Lathi charge could have been avoided as it provoked agitators to get violent. Police failed to search alternative route for traffic as highway was blocked. Collector failed to justify why he ordered lathi charge as agitators damaged public and private property in a big way. Culprits who set two agitators Mangesh Verip and Dilip Verip on fire not yet identified. UTAA leaders like MLA Ramesh Tawardkar, former MLA Vasudev Mangaonkar, Prakash Arjun Verip, Govind Gowde and Prakash Shankar Verip had led the agitation. CBI is also investigating the case. One of the accused, Gajanan Fardesai, had committed suicide in September 2011. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar stated that once the Home Department receives the report from the Law Department, he will go through it. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Panchayat elections are likely to be held on 16th May. Directorate of Panchayat has completed delimitation of wards and sent the same for notification. 185 Panchayats are set to go for polls with their term ending on 19th May.
Director of Panchayat Minino D'Souza said he has sent a delimitation of wards for notification.
Delimitation notification आम्ही आता आज काढल्या की पब्लिकेशन बद्दल ऑफिशियल गॅझेटीत. सो delimitation म्हणल्यार आम्ही चडशे कितें केल्या रिक्लासिफिकेशन करूंक ना. म्हणजे वॉर्ड्स तुका सेम आसतले, सेम नंबर ऑफ वॉर्ड्स. फक्त कितें आसता ज्या वाड्यांनी वोटर वाडल्या चड, एग्जांपल एका हातून 400 आनी एका हातून 200 जाल्यार ती इक्वल करप, मोरलेस 300 करप आसता. आनी जरी तर इक्वल करतना तुका बॉर्डरीचेच वरां आहा ती घालपाची. कितें म्हणटा ताका आमी कंटिग्युटी म्हणटा ती आसपाक जाय. हांगचो काडून हांगा घालूंक जायना, ओन्ली बॉर्डरीर आसा तेच काडून घालपाक जाय. कित्याक एक वार्ड म्हणटा ते एक कुडको आसपाक जाय. सो ते आमी ऑलरेडी आतां केलां आनी पब्लिकेशनाक धाडटले. ताजे उपरांत मामलेदार मागीर ते रोल आसता असेंब्लीचे ते वार्डा प्रमाणे करतले.
Reservation of wards for scheduled tribes and OBC will likely be based on the population. while women and SC reservation will be done on rotational basis.
As per the act, ते रोटेट करपाक जाय. कितें आसता तोच वाडो परत रिपीट करूंक जायना. आतां रोटेट करतले जाल्यार फाल्यां लास्ट टायम कितें लोकांचे प्रॉब्लेम येयलेलें, ज्या जाग्याचेर ST ना OBC ना तुमी रिजर्व केलेले. सो हे पाट तेच प्रॉब्लेम आमी फेस करूंक शकता. सो आमी लॉ डिपार्टमेंटाचो एडवायस घेतलेलो. लॉ डिपार्टमेंट आमकां सांगलां वी हॅव टू रोटेट द सीट्स, बट एट द सेम टायम वी मे रोटेट देम वेर देर इज सबस्टेन्शियल पॉप्युलेशन ऑफ ST and OBC. सो ती आमी एक पॉलिसी गव्हर्मेंटान नोटिफाय करपाक जाय कशी रोटेशन जातली. ती फायल एक्चुअली गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन आहा अप्रुवल. ती जाली म्हणटच इमिडिएटली वी कॅन आमी चड करून वी कॅन एंड ऑफ दीस वीक ST and OBC reservation notify करतली.
4 panchayats, namely Alorna, Kasarvarne, Chandel, Ansapur and Taligaon will not go for elections. The Goa State Election Commission has set 16th May as the date for the panchayat polls. The commission has sent the schedule to the government for approval. Our reporter Jason Suarez with video journalist Devendra Gaonkar.
Walpoi police raided a company at Vasco on Wednesday suspecting its link in the Mole illegal mining. Sources also suggest that a senior political leader from Walpoi might have links with this ore business. Meanwhile, one more driver was arrested in this case on Wednesday. Walpoi police have also issued summons to 44 people and have declared 3 as absconding. Till now, 18 people have been arrested in this connection within the past 5 days.
Walpoi police on Wednesday raided a company at Vasco suspecting its link in the Morley illegal mining case. Sources suggest that a senior political leader from Walpoi might have links in this ore business. Till now, total 18 people are arrested in the illegal mining case at Morley. One of the driver from Honda, Thomjan Atrad, was also arrested on Wednesday. Walpoi police have also issued summons to 44 people in this connection, whereas 3 have been declared absconding. Earlier on Saturday and Sunday, total 17 people, including a government servant, was arrested. Police had seized 24 trucks load of mining ore which was found dumped at Kothambi, Bicholi. Locals had stopped illegal mining on Saturday. A reporter from Morley, Uday Parab.
It's time now for a short break. Stay tuned.